Hello and welcome back to our short video for bird identification. As I told you in the previous video that if you love bird, please do not buy cake, you grow tree. Around where I live, there are some trees, not many. We have mangrove tree, we have coconut, we have banana tree, K-pop. That's enough. That every day at least I can see and hear more than 10 birds around me. I don't have cake, but I see bird every day and love it so much. So today, when I get up, I heard the whistling bird. They whistle. It's beautiful sound. It's like they sing a song for me. That is Oriental Magpie Robin. You know Robin? Magpie Robin. Okay. So if you want to know what the bird look like, I show you the robin. That is Oriental Magpie Robin. Yes, I can see two of them. So it could be one male and one female. Okay, now look again. Yes, I can see two beautiful robins. It could be one is male and another one is female. So I will tell you what they look like between male and female. But first, I tell you about the male robin. The male, it has two colors, black and white. You can see the upper part, including the head, and you can see the breast. That is black. It's not 100% black. We can say glossy black, because the shining black. Yes, the shining black. And then you can see the rest. Belly, the wing pad, and the outer tail. That is white. And what is the difference between male and female? I can say that when you see the one which has gray from the black, it means that half black, half gray. Yeah? White, it turns to half gray, and black, it turns to half gray. That is female. One more thing that you should know: the bird different from human. The male bird has more attractive, beautiful color, but female, the color sometimes dull, not clear. If I say blue, not blue, it's just something. If I say white, not white, that is female. It turn to, if it's white, it turn to a little bit gray or not 100% white, that is female. Okay, now I will show you these two birds, male and female of Oriental Magpie Robin. Okay, yes, it's very beautiful. So I just told you about the color pattern. Now tell you about the size. So it's not very big. The size is about minor. Yes, it's 19 to 21 centimeter. But sometimes from the distance I can't see the color, but I still can tell who is who. Why? Because I see the gesture. So as I told you already, color pattern, size, shape is very important. So when it is looking for food, you can see the tail of the robin straight up, yeah? Up, or we can say upright, straight. Yeah? And it sometimes it doesn't like the other bird. It jump from one part to one part. It stays still than the sunbird or tailor. Yeah, and they're not quiet. They whistle. Yeah, so that is why I like hearing their whistling around my house. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoying to see the Oriental Magpie Robin. And don't forget, if you want to ask question, you can go to my Facebook account, Sid David, and then if you have any problem about bird identification, I can try my best to help you.